understand that we're not curing anything, we're not going to fix anything, that we're here to heal, we understand that the environment is absolutely necessary to that, because we are healing mind, body, and spirit. When we're sick physically, it affects our mind and it affects our spirit, and that's just the way it is. And when we're sick spiritually, it affects our mind and it affects our body. They're all interrelated. So this is why this healing center is so important, and that's why I've decided that LifeCo should be the center of our Asian work. We just left the area where people eat incredible real food, and I say real food, I mean food that God made, that nature made. We humans just do a little bit to prepare it, but we certainly don't heat it up and damage it in any way. Anyway, as you can see, this is an incredible place to just sit and have incredible experiences alone or with some friends that you can meet here. And as far as the body goes, it needs more than just IV therapy. We need massage. Massage, we have therapeutic massage, which includes deep tissue, lymphatic massage, and other types of massage. Here's our massage sala. And there are a few beds out here, and there are several beds inside. As you well know, Thailand is renowned and world famous for massage, and so certainly we couldn't leave that out of our healing journey. And now, right next to our massage sala is our spa. And we won't go in there, but the spa basically has, there are different kinds of evaluation tools looking at body fat, muscle mass, evaluating on those levels, and also some other very specific therapeutic massages that we have by some amazing Thai specialists in that area. But the most important thing around here is the serenity and the peace and reconnecting with nature. Not wearing shoes, keeping your cell phone in your room, and disconnecting from the cyber world and connecting back with the world that God made for us. Here's the yoga sala, where we have yoga several times a day, along with Tai Chi and along with Thai kickboxing. There are several different ways in which we can therapeutically and physically move our bodies. And here's the clinic. The clinic building here at LifeCo has two sections. The bottom section is basically infrared saunas, steam saunas. And on this side, Angel of Water, which I'm not sure if you know what that means, but it's basically sort of like a Kalima, an automatic Kalima. It's very comfortable and very easy to do. It's something you can do alone and privately. But we also have actually three colonic rooms where we do closed system colon hydrotherapy, which is absolutely essential to healing. We do that 2 to 3 times a week, depending on the situation. And then upstairs we have all of our IV therapies and exercise with oxygen therapy, and the room where they meet with me and the other doctors, and we discuss the plans and all that. One thing I didn't mention yet, but we have a wonderful man here who is, his name is Tenson, and he helps people gain control of this mad person inside. Because really, if we don't take control of our minds, we're in trouble. Because remember, 95% of our mind is basically subconscious. So if we don't know what we're telling ourselves, if we're telling ourselves negative things, if it's full of fear and anger, then we can be sabotaging ourselves. And the important thing to understand about the mind and its relationship to our immune system is that the immune system actually mirrors our thinking. So when you're really happy or you've been hugged by somebody you love, your natural killer cell function goes way up. And the opposite happens if you're afraid, if you're angry, if you're envious, if you have regrets, it goes down. So basically, by controlling this, you're controlling your immune system. And so we refer to this whole process that we do here as psychoimmunology. And it's well founded in science. And nothing we do here is just a good idea somebody had, but it's actually science-based, evidence-based. But the most important thing here is nature. And nature is our true home.